Today is a very special day because this is my first day at the beach video. I'm so happy to share. Look at the clear blue water, the gentle waves, and the peaceful atmosphere. The beach is exceptionally clean and beautiful. It is the relax, enjoy nature, and spend quality time with family. Today, God had given me this opportunity to enjoy with my family. Together, watching the waves, walking along the shore, and feeling the fresh ocean breeze remind us of how important it is to spend time with the people we love. Hope this video helps you relax and inspires you to visit the beach with your family someday. Thank you for joining us on our first beach adventure. You enjoyed this video? Please like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. It is to spend time with the people we. This is an excellent place to enjoy. Enjoy your time with your family, and I wish you many wonderful memories together. Everybody enjoying a beautiful Clearwater beach. This is an inspire to see the big wave with the boat. Look at this beautiful big wave. Water, the fresh air, and the peaceful waves. Nature is truly a gift from God. Let's enjoy the beauty around us and do our part to keep our beaches clean for future generations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Beautiful places and family. Adventures. God bless you. Thank you for watching.